My name is George Carcera. I studied physics at Exeter University and I'm now a part qualified patent attorney at Withers and Rogers. So the first time I came across the sort of title of a patent attorney was when I was just looking at lists of things to do with a physics degree, maybe midway through my degree. I couldn't really find a whole lot of information about what the job really involved because it was quite a unique career. So by the time it actually came to applying to jobs, what I did was ring up patent attorney firms in locations that I was interested in to see if I could find out a bit more. I rang up Withers and Rogers and they were happy to put me in touch with one of their current trainees who spoke to me on the phone, answered all my questions and really explained to me what the job involved and what the training process was like. It sounded really great, so yeah, I applied and here I am. So a typical day for me would include working with my supervisor on what would be called patent prosecution work. This basically involves everything to take a patent application to become an accepted patent. An example of the kind of work that this includes is reviewing technical documents, trying to understand how the technologies in those documents works, and then thinking about how the invention that you're trying to patent might differ from those, and then kind of communicating that information to the inventor and coming up with a plan for helping that patent be accepted. So then another really important part of the job is the business development side of things. So this includes researching new technology areas or new developments, writing articles, attending conferences and events, both to keep up to date with new developments, but also to meet new inventors or companies that it would be good to work with. Lastly, as a trainee, a lot of your time is spent training because you're taken from a technical or science background. You're not expected to know any law, and so you work with your supervisor to kind of try and develop some of that expertise in the patent law side of things. Something I really enjoy about being a patent attorney is that you get the opportunity to work with loads of different new and exciting technology from loads of different technical areas, which you're definitely not used to from a kind of science background where you're used to specialising in one thing. Here you definitely get the opportunity to work in a really varied sort of space of technology. So for now to use a kind of really my analytical scientific brain based around technical knowledge and that kind of thing in conjunction with a legal understanding and also a high level of communication is something that I find really fulfilling and really stimulating. Another aspect of my role that's really important to me is increasing the representation of Black and minority ethnic people in the career. I'm part of a IP inclusive group, a subgroup called IP and Me, and I definitely feel like I'm supported in developing my career in this way. If you're interested in science and technology, I'd definitely recommend contacting some IP firms, seeing if you can have a chat with someone about the job, and then yeah, if you're interested, definitely give it a go.